What's up? I'm back with another one. With another one. What's up? Gotta move this stuff out the way. Today I'll be doing a mukbang. Camera. Oh. Do you want these napkins, Mom? Okay. So, I'm about to do a mukbang. Because I haven't done one in a while. I just gotta get my stuff set up first. Hold on.
And I thought that we couldn't take one more day to risk life or property here in the city of Richmond, and that's why we removed those minors yesterday. But number two,
I'm back. Now, let me get y'all put back. Put back. Like back. Baggity back. Now. I'm eating Panda Express. Can y'all see that? Panda Express. Y'all can see that, right? Okay. Let me scoop up. Select. So what I have in this box is I have walnut shrimp, beef and broccoli, and rice, fried rice. I got my soy sauce right here, and I got my drink right here. Whatever. Got my soy sauce.
You take this green tea out?
No. What I do is I separate our walnut from my shrimp because I don't eat the walnut. I just like the shrimp. So I'm about to separate the walnut from the shrimp real quick. Oh, I'm doing this. Oh, there's not that many walnut in here. Okay. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell button so you can get every video that I post on my channel. Okay, so now I'm just putting this soy sauce in my food so I can get to eating because like right now I'm a little hungry. I'm met her in person. If you have not tried Panda Express, y'all need to try it because it's really good, y'all. Okay, so let's talk about the fact that Martin Lawrence is coming out with a movie with, I forgot the other two names, but I'm gonna just say Recipe for Chef, Big Mama, and Madea. All of them coming out with a movie July 4th. July 4th. That's gonna be hilarious, y'all. It's gonna be hilarious. You know what this tastes like? Oh. This tastes like. This is like some. Well, it's good, y'all. No.
I made some other chicken that's in the refrigerator too.
Mother chicken? What you mean?
It's like sweet and sour chicken.
Oh, she made some of that sour.
This was a different one though. This is different from the other one.
What type of sauce did you put on it?
This is the one that was in the bag.
Some of y'all need to get y'all a grandma who can cook. If y'all ain't get no grandma who can cook, I feel sorry for y'all. Sorry for y'all.
Please, please, please. Hey, stop your whining. God, who do you want to beg like that? I'm Reggie.
Okay. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. My grandma know how to throw down. Throw down, y'all. Throw down. I'm gonna try everything on this plate one time. So, I'm gonna take this off. I don't need it on there. It's gonna be my trash.
Well, it isn't the ghost of Christmas past.
Max, this is a holy season, and I'm not going to let your rancor corrupt the goodwill that is in my heart. So, happy holidays, you despicable little Grinch.
No. Y'all, let's just go ahead. I had to pick the broccoli up with my fingers and I'm gonna get up with the fork.
Here's to Santa for giving me the only Christmas past I want, celebrating with my favorite cousin and best friend. Merry Christmas.
So hold on. My grandma stay ordering packets and stuff.
Let's have a sing-along. I can deal with that. Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening?
This Christmas,
That'll be Miss Meg up in 4B.
let me return.
That cranky, low American.
I like salt on my broccoli, yeah. Not too much salt, or it's gonna overpower it.
I understand. Godspeed, old Jim.
How was your day? You guys staying safe? You don't need that corona.
Michael, why don't you join our little sing-along?
Whoa.
Whenever your mouth is free. Look at you, Sinclair. I got to go, okay? Well, one more song for us. 1, 2, 3, say
Don't know. When the food is so good, I just start guessing. But it be so good. It's hot. It is right now, y'all. That's how it is. Yeah. Well, my lips burn. No.
I've got to get to the office. I got some deals to close. Stock market's about to open in Tokyo. Oh, Sinclair. Hey, I'm sorry. It's a great fun. Thank you. Bye.
And my stomach cramping. But I'm hungry.
Well, cuz, I guess it's just
Oh.
you and me. So why don't we go down to the office and just chill with the rest of them? Yeah. Conversate, edit, get the layouts ready for the press.
My grandma's gonna bring up over there.
Why don't you go to the next one, stay here? You sure? Yeah.
I'm gonna eat a little bit. Then my brother talk about life. Oh. Mm.
When you're not looking for a mate, somehow you get two. One is your ex-husband. The other
This is just short.
It'll be a logistical nightmare, especially if we use the last name. Then we'd have to do both sides. Reese's lovers. Yeah. Lactate is
What's that all about?
real milk without the lactose, so you can enjoy it even if you're sensitive. If some people say lactate, I guess all those cows must actually be big dogs. Sit. I said sit. If it doesn't want it, a bumper to bumper traffic before you.
What did I talk about?
Associates of Free Medical Assisting Online
I don't know.
at Independence University.
No community campus? No waking up early?
Not unless you really want to wake up early. With IU, your classroom is anywhere you have an internet connection. Plus, Independence University's online program includes a 4-day weekend residency. Instructors teach you all about phlebotomy, how to give shots, take vital signs, and practice running an EKG machine.
How much extra is this gonna cost me?
Nothing. IU's 4-day residency program is included in the cost of tuition. Plus, IU provides you with a new laptop and tablet.
Not bad. An online MA degree and a hands-on residency program.
I don't know.
What's not to love?
Call today at 888-672-1186 or visit us at independence.edu.
I don't know what I want to about. But
Okay. Safe driver, save 40%. Guys, check it out. Safe driver, save 40%. Safe driver.
how are y'all doing?
Safe driver, save 40%. That's safe driver, save 40%.
It is that safe driver stay 40%.
It's right there. It's him. He's here. It's right here. Hi.
How's life going?
That's totally him. That's totally him.
Safe drivers do save 40%. Click or call for a quote today.
Hey y'all, so I am laying down. I have finished eating already, and I am about to take a nap because I am tired. I had to open up my curtain because it was a little dark in here. Ooh, that's a lot better. Well, I can do that. I have my blinds open now, so you can see me a little bit better. So therefore, what's up, guys? I had a little technical difficulty because I did not know what I was going to say, but now I do. So, with that being said, I will be going to sleep right now because I am tired after eating all that food. You know how you be eating food, or your grandma cooks food, your mama, your daddy, sister, brother, or whoever you live with cooks food, and all of a sudden after you finish eating, you just start to get tired. Yes, that's how I'm feeling right now, and I'm ready to take a nap. So, again, with that being said, make sure you go like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button, click that bell so you can get all of the videos that I post on my channel. Okay, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.